Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no service on iPhone problem on iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have while facing this issue, no service problem. So first solution you have to go aeroplane mode on and off. Enabling and disabling aeroplane mode can refresh the network connection, facilitating seamless connection for your iPhone. So you have try this solution. So you have turn off and turn on aeroplane mode. Then second solution, you have take out the same code and reinsert it. As we mentioned before, this problem could also be caused damaged SIM code or one that is poorly inserted. Open the drive with a SIM ejector and then, as you mentioned before, so take out the SIM card, check if or any damage and it is fine, put it back and close and try. Check if network has been restored, so then you have checked if your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, update iPhone software. A software update can also work to fix the problem. Go to settings, so click on general software update, and if one is available, tap on download and install to install it. Then fourth solution, reset network setting. Recovery mode also play as important role in solving issue that are related to software problem, and if software problems are the reason behind iPhone white screen, then using recovery mode assistance you on how to fix iPhone white screen. To that where you how to fix on no service iPhone. So open the setting, click on general, reset network setting, click on transfer or reset, then you click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then last solution, reset all setting. If the device still will not connect, you may want to reset all settings to eliminate any bugs that could be causing the problem. To do, go to same option, open the setting, click on general again, click on transfer or reset, then you click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you enter a passcode, only reset network setting, reset all settings, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.